Hi, it's Justin Costello from MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. It's a light blue gel coat hull, silver graphics and chrome logos, twin white Mercury Verados. Boat is awesome, loaded, electronics. Let's step aboard and show you some of the options. Alright, we're here on the 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. You can see white 300 Verado V8s. We do have the aft port side live wall as well as the live wall at the console. Walking inside, looking back, notice you have a fold out transom bench seat. We do have the JL audio sound system with upgrade with a subwoofer. Move to the helm. Really nice helm, vented seat backs, flip down armrests. We got this boat equipped with twin factory installed electronics Raymarine Axiom screens, 4-inch vessel view display. There's your Fusion stereo unit, Raymarine VHF radio, Lenco trim tabs. Boat is loaded. Got the light blue matching underside gel coat, matches the sides colors of the boat. Starboard side access right here to a large head area, vacuum flush toilet, overboard discharge, your circuit panel right there with your fuses, and coming forward, a large double wide sun pad, seating wrapped around in the bow. Notice all the cushions, supports, grab handles, anchor windlass right here through the deck, controls with the remote or via the buttons at the helm. It's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano. This boat is available. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, twin 300s Mercury Verados in white, light blue hull, twin 12-inch electronics. Give me a call on 954-633-2070.